mystery is unfolding in New Bedford. Two people found shot to death in a home there. And Incident 5's Julie Lonchak is live at the scene tonight. Julie?
And Heather, it is still a very active scene here in New Bedford this evening. Authorities still on scene investigating hours after these bodies were discovered up there on the second floor by family members.
Mayday. Mayday, Mayday, I'm trying to see a payday and think about Mike Brown, him and Trayvon yelling Treyway. The youth ain't have to sell, yay, but that ain't what you taught, Dave. You thought it was a sport until they threw you in them cups. Say now your nephew off the porch, yeah, and he running with them boys, man. I don't have to finish up when it's Tubman in our blood, but we function at the norm, really norm like this porn. Desensitizing minds, then you can wanna scorn. Nah, this couldn't be my boy. He was raised to see a throne. I'm thinking he was on every drug you put in front, but if you want, I'll turn him over. Just turn him to a soldier. I'll have another and mold him in the vision of a Nova Sun solar when it's polar, so he can make it through the soaker. Enough soaper plus the chocha, now he think he taking over. Meanwhile, another quota, getting this you never voted. The masses see Messiah as the only one with motives, but tonight this one is rolling, patrolling, yeah, he open. Higher powers in that 40 on his hip, known for smoking. You drip, known for sport and fly shit. But the forces at work on this night was the shit your mama taught you. So when he pull up right up on you and your stomach getting nauseous, you make the split decision. But was that the one to run? Was that the one to run?